Shuangye Electronic Technology Company Limited, established in 2010 year, is a professional manufacturer specialized in electric bike conversion kits, and electric bike batteries. Our factory is located in beautiful coastal city, Zhuhai, China, 5 kilometers to Zhuhai Airport, 1 hour to Hong Kong, Macau, and Shenzhen. We offer reliable quality products and after-sales service for global customer. Our product range is city electric bike, mountain electric bike, scooters, electric bike conversion kits, and electric bike batteries. We have skilled workers and advanced electric bikes testing equipment and precise processing workshop, which help to provide reliable quality guarantee and thoughtful service to customers. With our professional sales team, production team, technology support team, and quality control team, we can offer integrated OEM and ODM services. Our sales team will help solve all kinds of e-bikes questions promptly and efficiently. We also have skilled R&D team to keep development new products and meet customers' requirement such as appearance, design, and function requirements. Our products have passed CE certificates and they can meet EN 15194, MSDS, and UN 38.3 standards. Our market divided into domestic and overseas, exporting a large quantity electric bikes to Europe, South America, North America, and Asia. With the quality comes first motto, we have already won a large number of high-phased customers, which lead us becoming a famous corporation in Zhuhai City.